This is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and GoPro says it's smarter, faster, and more powerful than ever. But here's the thing. After actually using it in the real world, on bikes, in low light, even just walking around, I found a couple of surprises they definitely don't highlight in the ads. So the big question is this the best action camera you can buy right now, or just another incremental upgrade? Let's break it down. GoPro Hero 13 Black product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? This is the GoPro Hero 13 Black, released in late 2025, and it's GoPro's flagship action camera, aimed squarely at content creators, adventurers, and anyone who wants pro-level video in a tiny, rugged package. The big selling point this year? Improved AI-powered stabilization, better battery efficiency, and smarter shooting modes that adapt to what you're filming. It still shoots up to 5.3K video, has that iconic waterproof design, and supports a growing ecosystem of mounts and accessories. But more than anything, this camera is about convenience, capturing high-quality footage without needing a full camera setup. GoPro Hero 13 Black Performance. Okay, specs are cool, but how does it actually perform? I use the Hero 13 Black for everything. From casual vlogging to biking over rough terrain, and honestly, the stabilization is still the star of the show. GoPro's hyper-smooth tech feels almost unfair at this point. Even when I was bouncing around on uneven ground, the footage came out looking like it was shot on a gimbal. That's wild. Now, where things get interesting is low-light performance. It's improved compared to the previous model, but let's be real, it's still not amazing. Night footage is usable, but you'll notice grain pretty quickly. This isn't replacing your mirrorless camera anytime soon. Battery life, though, that's a nice step up. I consistently got longer recording sessions without needing to swap batteries, which makes a big difference if you're out all day. Overall, performance feels refined rather than revolutionary, but in a good way. It's reliable, predictable, and easy to trust. Features and tech. Let's talk about a few standout features, and more importantly, why they matter. First up, enhanced hyper-smooth stabilization. Yes, it's better again. What that means for you is smoother footage without extra gear. You can literally run, jump, or bike downhill and still get usable, professional-looking shots. Second, AI-powered shooting modes. The camera can now automatically adjust settings based on what you're doing. So if you're switching from bright daylight to shade, it adapts without you fiddling with settings. It's subtle, but it makes shooting way more effortless. Third, 5.3K video with improved color science. This gives you sharper footage and more flexibility when editing. If you like tweaking your footage later, this is huge. And finally, cloud connectivity and auto upload. Plug it in and your footage backs up automatically. For creators, that's a massive time saver. Design and build. Aesthetically, GoPro didn't reinvent the wheel here, and honestly, that's a good thing. The Hero 13 Black keeps that familiar, compact brick design. It's rugged, waterproof straight out of the box, and built to take a beating. You can throw it in a bag, mount it anywhere, or drop it, within reason, and it just keeps going. The front and rear screens are responsive and bright enough for outdoor use, which is crucial. Navigating menus feels quick and intuitive. If there's one nitpick, it's that the design still feels very GoPro, which means small buttons and tight ports. Battery life. Battery life is one of those things that doesn't sound exciting until it matters. And here, the Hero 13 Black actually improves in a meaningful way. I was getting longer continuous recording times compared to older models, especially in moderate conditions. Now, if you're shooting in 5.3K all day, you'll still want a spare battery. No surprise there. But for casual shooting or short bursts, it's much more reliable than before. Pros. Incredible stabilization, still best in class. Improved battery life makes a real difference. Excellent video quality and good lighting. Cons. Not a huge leap from the previous model. Small design can be fiddly at times. Final verdict. So, who is this for? And is it worth your money? Look, if you're someone who shoots action footage, travel, biking, vlogging on the go, this is pretty much a no-brainer. It's reliable, easy to use, and delivers consistently great results without a complicated setup. If you already own the Hero 12 Black, though, this might not feel like a must upgrade. The improvements are real, but they're incremental. And if low-light shooting is your priority, you might want to look at alternatives with larger sensors. But for most people, this is still one of the best action cameras you can buy.